Hey everyone, feeling a little stressed? Let's create some calming vibes with this relaxing seascape painting. This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations, so let's get started. Let's talk about these colors for just a second. This is a real composite of different paints. I'm trying to match it. A search I did for earth tone colors, and there was basically nothing that exactly matched it, so I had to play some games. So every single one of these are custom mixes. This is, although I labeled it light blue, it's a combination of Liquitex light blue and Vallejo pearl medium. This is Cobalt turquoise with just a drop of Payne's gray Liquitex. Creme. This is like a kitchen sink. This is basically a cloud mixture. It started out with started out with a lot of things. Started out with just a little bit of pearl white. To that, I added some DecoArt satin enamel pure white. To that, I added some more of the Vallejo pearl medium. And what else did I put in there? Oh, it was burnt umber, just a tad bit. I mean, just like a drop, just to give it more of a cream look. This is what you see here. This is Latte, Whitehaven, and Simplicity by this little piggy. It also has a little bit added to it. There's a little bit of burnt umber to give it a little bit of a darker tan look. Over here, this is Black Forest and Emerald, and again, just a drop of Payne's Gray to darken it up. So that's my colors. Let's see how they work. It's about time for the flyover. You know, the colors on this came out pretty much blue, gray, and teal. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do as far as the color scheme on this. I'm going to have to do a little bit more tweaking to the tans on. But I'm not unhappy with the cells that came out. I'm not unhappy with the piece in any sense of the word. It's a great test piece and will make for a great tile or trivet for the kitchen. So, hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.